So interesting. Greg and I were having the conversation earlier on having a target operating model, but now moving to a ROM, a robotic operating model. And changing the processes that are required, changing the structure around everything that's required, and just looking at the organization from a different perspective. So Greg, if you had to look at it from how you would particularly put a ROM in place, or what a robotic operating model would incorporate, obviously the human factor and the interaction, but could you maybe refer to some of the technical debt issues that you may need to look at?
Yeah, well, I think, obviously the robotic process automation tool is, it's slave by nature. So it actually feeds off the core systems that it uses. So obviously once those core systems change, you need to be ready and able to adjust your robot to continue to work. We had an interesting example where we had the front end of one of our core systems changed, and we were not aware of it, and then there was a lag between when we fixed the robot to continue to run, and that particular set of robots was doing about 40 people's work, and the lead of that area contacted me and said, how's my digital workforce going? So I think that's an example where you need to make sure you've got all the building blocks in place to be able to not only find the automation, build it, have the infrastructure, you need to be able to manage it, and you need an operations centre that's top quality. We've got on top of those types of things now because we get up front in the process. We understand when the core systems are changing, and we're pretty quick at changing accordingly. But if you don't have those basic building blocks in place, you are certainly going to get phone calls in the night saying, what's happened to my robot? So yeah, you need to be ready, willing and able to be able to cater for that.